Let's learn ABCDs today. While watching, listening and speaking. A. This is letter A. A for alligator. This is letter B. B for bear. This is letter C. C for cat. This is letter D. D for dog. This is letter E. E for elephant. This is letter F. F for flamingo. This is letter G. G for giraffe. This is letter H. H for horse. This is letter I. I for iguana. This is letter J. J for jellyfish. This is letter K. K for kangaroo. This is letter L. L for lion. This is letter M. M for monkey. This is letter N. N for narwhal. This is letter O. O for owl. This is letter P. P for panda. This is letter Q. Q for quail. This is letter R. R for raccoon. This is letter S. S for squirrel. This is letter T. T for tiger. This is letter U. U for unicorn. This is letter V. V for vampire bat. This is letter W. W for worm. This is letter X. X for Zenratra. This is letter Y. Y for yak. This is letter Z. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe to my channel so we can learn more educational videos in a fun way.
Thank you kids for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. videos.